Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us understand the importance of sectoral indices in the stock market. Every company that is listed in the stock market is within an area of economy or industry sector. Sectoral indices provide summary of overall performance of the stocks listed under a particular industrial sector such as banking, IT, etc. It allows investors to track a stock against a specific sector. These are the few examples of sectoral indices: banking, IT, energy, services, consumer products, etc. The importance of sectoral indices is that sectoral indices show performance of a stock grouped according to the specific industries. Suppose we want to measure the performance of the specific sector such as auto, then we use the auto index to know how well this auto sector is performed. If we want to track the performance of the FMCG sector, then we will use the FMCG index. Like this, we have an index corresponding to the specific sector so that we can measure how each sector is performed compared to the overall market. Sectoral indices help in determining whether a particular stock is performing better than its sectoral performance. Assume there are 25 IT companies that come under the IT index. Then we can measure performance of any of these 25 companies against the overall IT index performance. So the sector specific index will help in determining the stocks that we have invested is whether overperforming compared to the sector or underperforming. By tracking the companies you have invested in against the other companies in the same sector, you can discover whether the good performance is a result of individual company's effort or the result of general sector growth. We have two stock exchanges in India, BSE and NSE. Each stock exchange have their own sectoral indices. Below are the sectoral indices of NSE or National Stock Exchange. It has many sectoral indices such as Auto Index, Bank Index, Financial Services Index, FMCG Index, Healthcare Index, IT Index, Media Index, Metal Index, Pharma Index, Private Bank Index, PSU Bank Index, Realty Index, Consumer Durable Index, Oil and Gas Index. These are the sectoral indices listed under NSE. Below are the sectoral indices listed in BSE. These are the indices listed under the BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange. It has basic materials, consumer, discretionary goods and services, energy, fast moving consumer goods, finance, healthcare, industrials, information technology, telecom, utility, auto, bank X, capital goods, consumer durables, metal, oil and gas, power, realty and tech. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you in understanding what are sectoral indices and its importance.